Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Daily English Listening, the podcast that helps you speak English with confidence, one episode at a time. I'm your host, Emma.
And I'm Liam. Hi, Emma. Hi, everyone. It's so wonderful to be with you again today.
Hi, Liam. You know, I've been thinking about something lately. Many of our listeners tell me, Emma, I understand English when I read. I understand when I listen. But when I try to speak, my brain goes blank.
Oh, Emma, that is such a common problem. I hear this all the time from students. I understand everything, but I can't speak.
Exactly. It's like there's a wall between your brain and your mouth. You know the words, but they won't come out. Exactly. It's like there's a wall between your brain and your mouth. You know the words, but they won't come out.
So today we're going to talk about something super important, how to train your brain and your mouth to speak English fluently and naturally.
Yes, this is not about learning new words. This is about using the words you already know. It's about building a bridge from your brain to your mouth.
I love that. Building a bridge. By the end of this episode, you'll have practical exercises you can do every day to make speaking easier and more natural.
But before we start, everyone please hit that subscribe button for daily English listening. It helps us reach more learners, just like you.
And click the like button too. It tells YouTube that this content is helpful. Okay, Emma, let's dive in. Why is it so hard to speak even when we understand?
Great question, Liam. Think about it this way. When you listen or read, your brain is just receiving information. It's passive. Easy, right?
Right. But when you speak, your brain has to do so many things at once. You have to think of the idea, find the right words, put them in the correct order, and pronounce them correctly.
That's a lot of work. No wonder our brains get tired. It's like learning to play the piano. You can listen to a beautiful song and understand it. But playing it yourself? That takes practice.
Perfect comparison. Listening is like hearing music. Speaking is like playing the music. Two completely different skills.
So today, we're going to give you the exercises to become a better player. Ready to train your brain and mouth?
Let's do it. First tip, and this is so important, you need to think in English.
Yes! This is the number one habit of successful English speakers. Stop translating in your head.
When you think in your native language and then translate to English, it takes too long. Your mouth is waiting for your brain, and your brain is busy translating.
Let's practice this right now. Listeners, I want you to look around where you are right now. Just look at one object.
Now don't translate, just say the English word. If you see a book, say book. If you see a window, say window. If you see a phone, say phone.
Try this at home today. Every time you see something, say the English word in your head. Don't translate, just think the English word directly.
Let's do a quick exercise together. I'll say an object, and you think the English word. Ready?
A place where you sleep. What's the word?
Bed. Very good. Next, something you drink from in the morning.
Cup? Or mug. Perfect. Something you wear on your feet.
Shoes. Excellent. See how quick that is when you don't translate?
Now, here's a try this at home challenge. For 1 whole hour today, try to think only in English. When you wake up tomorrow morning, think, I'm waking up. Not in your language, in English.
It's hard at first. Your brain will fight it. But keep practicing. This is how you train your brain to work in English.
Okay, tip number 2. This is one of my favorites. Talk to yourself.
People might look at you funny, but it works. Talking to yourself in English is amazing practice.
Yes, when you're alone at home, in the shower, cooking dinner, walking outside, just talk to yourself in English.
But what do you say, Emma? I don't know what to talk about.
Great question. Talk about what you're doing. This is called self-talk. Let me show you. Imagine I'm making breakfast. I can say, I am taking out the bread. Now I'm putting it in the toaster. I am waiting for the toast to pop up. Oh, it's ready. Now I'm spreading butter on the toast. Mm, delicious.
Perfect. You're just describing your actions. You don't need anyone to listen. You're just practicing. Let's try a quick exercise together. Listeners, imagine you are brushing your teeth. What do you say? Think about it.
You could say, I'm picking up my toothbrush. I'm putting toothpaste on it. Now I'm brushing my teeth. Up and down, round and round. I'm rinsing my mouth with water.
Excellent. Now you try at home. Every time you do something, describe it in English. Cooking, cleaning, walking, exercising, anything.
Tip number 3. This is a big one. Shadowing.
Ooh, shadowing sounds mysterious. What is it, Emma?
Shadowing means you listen to a native speaker and repeat what they say at the same time. Like a shadow.
Oh, I see. You follow them closely, just like a shadow follows you. This is amazing for pronunciation and speaking speed.
Let's practice shadowing right now, but slowly. Listeners, I will say a sentence. Liam will repeat it immediately after me. Then you repeat after Liam. Ready? I wake up at 7 o'clock every morning.
I wake up at 7 o'clock every morning.
Good. Another one. I like to drink coffee with my breakfast.
I like to drink coffee with my breakfast.
Perfect. Now, real shadowing is even faster. You try to speak at the same time as the speaker.
You can do this with any video or podcast. Listen to a short sentence and try to say it at the same time as the speaker. Match their speed, their pronunciation, their emotion.
Tip number 4. Record yourself speaking.
Oh, this one is scary for many people. Nobody likes hearing their own voice.
It's true, it feels strange, but it's so helpful. When you record yourself, you can hear your mistakes.
You might hear, oh, I said goed, but it should be went. Or my pronunciation of this word is not clear.
But don't be discouraged. This is how you improve. Listeners, try this at home today. Take your phone, open the voice recorder, and talk for just 1 minute.
What should you talk about? Talk about your day. Today I woke up at, I ate, I went to, simple.
Then listen to the recording. What did you do well? What can you improve? Do this every day for 1 week, and I promise you will see improvement.
That's a great tip, Emma. Now, tip number 5, slow down.
Yes. Many learners think that fast speaking equals good speaking, but that's not true.
When you try to speak too fast, your brain can't keep up. You make more mistakes. You get stuck. You feel frustrated.
It's better to speak slowly and clearly than to speak fast with many mistakes.
Let's practice this. Listeners, I want you to say this sentence with me, but slowly. Ready?
My name is your name.
I am from your country.
I like to read books.
See how clear that is? Native speakers will understand you much better when you speak slowly and clearly.
Now, here's a mini story for you. This is about my friend Maria.
Ooh, I love Maria's stories. Go ahead, Emma.
So Maria was learning English for 2 years. She understood everything. But when she spoke very fast because she was nervous.
I know people like that. What happened?
One day, she was at a coffee shop. She wanted to order a latte. She said very fast, "Can you have a latte, please?"
Oh no, did the server understand?
"No," the server said. "Sorry, what was that?" Maria felt so embarrassed. She tried again, even faster. "Can you have a lat?"
Oh dear, that just made it worse.
Exactly. Then she remembered my advice. She took a deep breath. She looked at the server and said slowly, "Can I have a latte, please?"
And what happened?
The server smiled and said, "Of course. 1 latte, coming right up." Maria was so happy. She learned that slow is smooth and smooth is fast.
What a great story. Slow is smooth, smooth is fast. I love that.
So listeners, remember Maria. When you feel nervous, take a breath. Slow down. It's okay to speak slowly.
Tip number 6, learn phrases, not just words.
Yes. If you learn individual words, you have to put them together like a puzzle every time you speak. That takes time.
But if you learn whole phrases, they come out of your mouth automatically, like magic.
For example, don't just learn the word morning. Learn the phrase, "Good morning, how are you?"
Don't just learn name. Learn my name is, and what's your name?
Let's practice some common phrases. Repeat after me and try to remember the whole phrase, not just the words.
Ready? How are you doing today?
I'm doing great, thanks for asking.
What do you do for work?
I work as a teacher.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
See how these phrases just flow together? Learn them as one piece.
Tip number 7. Don't be afraid of mistakes.
This might be the most important tip of all. Fear of mistakes stops people from speaking.
Listeners, I want you to imagine something. Imagine a baby learning to walk. Does the baby fall down?
Yes, all the time. Babies fall hundreds of times before they learn to walk.
Does the baby say, "Oh no, I fell. I'm so embarrassed. I'll never walk again"?
No, the baby just gets up and tries again and again until they can walk.
Speaking English is the same. You will make mistakes. Everybody makes mistakes. I make mistakes. Liam makes mistakes.
It's true. Just last week, I said, I go to the store yesterday, and Emma laughed at me.
I didn't laugh. Okay, maybe a little, but that's how we learn. The correct word is went. I went to the store yesterday.
So listeners, when you make a mistake, don't feel bad. Just notice it, learn from it, and try again.
Tip number 8. Practice every day, even for just 5 minutes.
Consistency is more important than quantity. 5 minutes every day is better than 1 hour once a week.
Think of it like watering a plant. If you give a plant lots of water once a week, it might die. But if you give it a little water every day, it grows strong.
Your English is the same. A little practice every day helps your brain stay in English mode.
So what can you do for 5 minutes? Talk to yourself for 5 minutes. Shadow a short video for 5 minutes. Record yourself for 5 minutes.
Let's do a 5-minute practice session right now, but faster. Listeners, get ready for some quick exercises.
First, think in English. I'll say a category, and you think of 3 words in that category. Ready?
Things in your kitchen,
Things you wear.
things you see outside.
Great job. Now let's practice self-talk. I'll give you a situation, and you describe what you're doing. Ready?
You are making a sandwich. What do you say?
You are walking to work. What do you say?
Perfect. Now let's shadow. I'll say a sentence and you repeat immediately after me.
I love learning English because it opens new doors.
Every day I get a little better at speaking.
I'm proud of myself for practicing today.
Wonderful. You just did 5 minutes of practice.
See how easy that was? You can do this anywhere, on the bus, while cooking, before bed.
Now let me give you a special tip that I call the Liam method.
Ooh, the Liam method. Sounds official.
It's very simple. Every night before bed, I spend 2 minutes thinking about my day in English.
That's brilliant. You review your day, but you do it in English.
Yes, I think. Today I woke up at 7, I went to work, I ate lunch with my friend, I came home and watched TV. I felt happy today.
That's such a good habit. It helps you practice past tense, emotions, and daily vocabulary all at once.
Listeners, try this tonight. Before you sleep, just 2 minutes. Think about your day in English. What did you do? How did you feel?
Okay, let's review all the tips we learned today. Ready, Liam?
Ready? Tip number 1. Think in English. Stop translating.
Tip number 2. Talk to yourself. Describe what you're doing.
Tip number 3. Shadow native speakers. Repeat after them.
Tip number 4. Record yourself and listen. Learn from your mistakes.
Tip number 5. Slow down. Slow is smooth. Smooth is fast.
Tip number 6. Learn phrases, not just words. Whole pieces are easier.
Tip number 7. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Every mistake is a lesson.
Tip number 8. Practice every day, even for 5 minutes. Consistency wins.
And my bonus tip, the Liam method. Review your day in English every night before bed.
What a fantastic list. Now, listeners, here's your challenge for this week.
Yes, we want you to choose just one of these tips and practice it every day for 7 days.
Maybe you choose talk to yourself. Every day, for 5 minutes, talk to yourself in English while you do things.
Or maybe you choose record yourself. Every night, record 1 minute about your day. Then after 7 days, listen to your first recording and your last recording.
You will be amazed at the improvement. I promise you.
And here's the most important thing. Be kind to yourself. Learning a language is a journey, not a race.
Some days will be easy, some days will be hard. That's normal. That's okay.
But every day you practice, you are getting better. Even if it doesn't feel like it, you are improving.
Now, before we go, we have a question for you. In the comments below, tell us.
Which tip will you try this week? Think in English? Talk to yourself? Shadowing? Recording? Tell us.
You can write, "This week I will try to blank because blank." We would love to read your answers.
And don't forget to subscribe to Daily English Listening. Hit that bell icon so you never miss an episode.
Share this podcast with a friend who's learning English. Let's grow together.
Thank you so much for listening today. We know you're busy and we appreciate your time.
Keep practicing, keep believing in yourself. And remember, every expert was once a beginner.
You've got this. We believe in you.
We'll be back very soon with another fun and helpful episode. Until next time,
Take care. Speak English every day, and we'll see you soon.
goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye.